as the tradition of the event from previous year, I will start the session with a few sentences from different language. If you understand them, well done, good for you. If not, it's natural, no need to panic. به نام خداوند بخشنده مهربان، درود و خوش آمد بر همگی به همایش خوارزمی‌های آینده. همانطوری که پیشتر اعلام شده زبان برنامه انگلیسی است، بنابراین این آخرین جمله هایی که به زبان فارسی از من میشنوید. Now Thai, but apologize because my Thai is worse than previous year, so the pronunciation would be terrible, but I have to go for it. Sawadee krap tuktan, indi donrab kausu gan samina algorithm heng anakot krap. Okay, now for everyone else, hi and welcome everyone to Future Algorithms 2025. We have 2 exciting days with 3 parts, kind of busy schedule, and I hope that you enjoy. I will go through the schedule in a bit later, but before that, I will have 2 quick advertisements. The first one is a new program from Coventry University. It is called Apply to Apply. It is for people, talented candidates, I emphasize on the talented, not every candidate, who are interested to apply for Marie Curie postdoctoral fellowship or in general any other kind of fellowship. If they know a good person, a mentor in the Coventry University in the area of their interest, they can contact them. What Coventry University is offering extra is that they will assign some people from the research support team to help them in writing the proposal and the application. Hopefully they will have a strong one and increase their chance of success. In particular, if you know someone interested in computational algebra, algebraic geometry, and polynomials and their applications, please share this with them. The slides will be available on the website of the event and also the recording of the session, so then you can share this QR code. The QR code goes to a link with a very short and quick summary of the program and what it is about. So that's one advertisement. The second advertisement is that if you are interested in future algorithms, the chances are that you are also interested in any other interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary events. One conference is or event is called CASIN-Life Computer Algebra Software in the Life Sciences. It happened 3 times before. This is the 4th edition. The previous editions were in Turkey, Poland, UK, and now it will be in Greece. It will happen in Crete, an island in Mediterranean Sea, you can see in the world map. And the goal of that event is to gather experts from 3 domains: mathematics, computer science, and life science. Life science itself is a wide range of topics: biology, chemistry, ecology, population dynamic, epidemiology, pharmacology, and so on. And not only the experts, but also their students. So we want to gather these people in one place and they hear from each other. There are many times that algorithm or a concept from mathematics can solve something in the life science, but the people in that side haven't heard about it, so they don't know that this is going to solve their problem. Or it can be from the opposite direction. They may have a problem that trigger new ideas for the mathematicians to come up with some new algorithms, and computer science people to implement them and work on the complexity and those things. So this is an interesting event. If you like, you can join. It's in July.
I'm not sure we're supposed to see the slides moving, or because we only see the title slide.
The title slide?
Yeah, it didn't move. I'm not sure if we are supposed to see it changing.
Is it changing now?
No.
I will stop sharing. I share again. Do you see now?
Now we see another apply to apply. We see the QR code now.
Okay, so let me go. Is it changing now?
Yes.
So this is the title slide. Okay, good. This is the apply to apply. This is Cash in Life. Sorry for the trouble, but I will do this introduction 5 more other times, so you still have chances to see them again. Now, a little more about the history or the motivation of this conference, this event, Future Algorithm, or in Persian, Khwarazmihay Ayande, which is Khwarazmis of the future. Why we named it like this? So I will start with the Khwarazmi. Some of you know the relation between algorithm and Khwarazmi, but for some of you it might be a surprise. The name is Future Algorithm, and then there is a face of a person there. What is happening? So let me tell you a bit of history, geography, and language. So Khwarazm is name of a location, which you see in the map. Hopefully the slides are moving. That location, and the word Khwarazm is a Persian word. You can see how it is written in the old Persian script in cuneiform format for 2,500 years ago. And in Persian language, when you want to make adjective for a location or a country or place, you add E at the end of that noun. So Khwarazmi means from Khwarazm, and it's part of last name of this Persian mathematician. So it means he was from Khwarazm region. He was living in 780 to 850 AD. And this structure, you can see it other places in English, Bangladeshi, Pakistani, Afghani, Iraqi are Persian word structure because of the influence of Persian in those regions when British went there. It entered to English language. And wherever you see this structure, you can guess there might be some relation with Persian. For example, Khaki is a color name. Khak is a Persian word, means soil, and Khaki means color of soil. From Persian, it went to Urdu, and from Urdu, it went to English. Now, Khwarazmi is, we mean this person. His name in Persian was Khwarazmi. Then in Arabic, they add al, so become al-Khwarazmi, and then it went to Latin and the Western language, English, become algorithm. So algorithm is name of this person change, right? And just a side note, there are other things related to Khwarazm, such as Khwarezmian Empire. It is not related to Khwarazmi, the mathematician. It's several centuries after his death, but you can see some connection in the word. Now, why algorithm is coming from name of this person? Because he wrote several nice books in mathematics, such as Al-Jabr al-Muqabala, which the word jabr algebra is coming from name of his book. But in his books, he was giving instructions step by step to solve some problems. And this instruction step by step is what algorithm is. So they gave his name to this concept. So the idea behind the name is that we are trying to inspire, motivate, and help today young students to become the future Khwarazmis people who create new algorithms that will influence our life, right? So that's the goal. You have seen the website of the event. There are plenty of things you can click on them. The poster at the left side is not the poster for the competitions, it's the poster of the event. The registration, which is now closed. The schedule, you can see the time of the talks. The talk abstracts, you can click on it and see the title and abstract of each talk to see which one is of your interest to participate. Clicking on the competition, you will see the posters of the students who were brave enough to submit their work. And this being brave is important. And it's a tight competition. In my opinion, all 4 candidates are winner. But we need to have some winner at the end, so we will rank them. But in my opinion, all of them are winners. So well done to all of them. Click on it, please, and look at the posters. You can click on them to see a higher quality PDF version. Go through them, prepare your question. We want to grill them tomorrow in the presentation part. And then you can click on gallery. Right now, there is nothing there except a placeholder. We want to have a group photo, but because we are not in person in the same location, we need to create an artificial group photo. After the whole event finish, we will send you email asking for photo. If you are interested to be in the group photo, send a photo with your face in it, and we will create an artificial one without AI, with a human design, and we will put it there. It will be a good memory. The schedule is like this. We have 3 parts today. We are starting the first part at 7:30 sharp in UK time, 4 minutes left. We have 3 speakers. One of them, the last one, I haven't heard about him yesterday, so the chances are that we miss it. So we may end up half an hour earlier this part, but we will see. And then at 1:30 UK time, we have 2 other speakers. And at 4 p.m. UK time, we have Mathematica tutorial. Mathematica Wolfram Company was kind enough to sponsor this year of our event, and they are also providing the prizes for the poster winners. And then we have also a talk from Dr. Christopher Rakakos, a person from Julia Programming Language and MIT. That's also interesting. I'm looking forward to that. That will be today. And then tomorrow we have also 3 parts, starting from 8 a.m. UK time, 2 talks. Then at 12 UK time, the poster competition. Prepare your questions. And at 4 p.m. UK time, we have 4 other talks, especially Noah Feinstein, a very well-known person in game industry and also a very strong speaker. I'm very looking forward to that. And at 6 p.m. UK time, we have announcement of the winners of the poster competition and the closing part. So that's the schedule. I'm done, but we will wait 3 more minutes. And then I will introduce the speakers.
Amir Hussein.
Yes.
May I say some few words about Khwarazmi?
Oh, sure.
I think one of the main reasons such that the word algorithm comes back to Khwarazmi is about his works on numbers, because at that time, at the time of Khwarazmi, the people used the Roman number systems for writing the numbers, in particular in Europe. And on the other side, in Iran or in India, the people used the Indian or what we call today decimal number systems. Khwarazmi wrote some algorithm or procedure, not perhaps the algorithm, the pseudocode that we use nowadays. At the time, he used some procedures and ways to make the addition and the multiplication of numbers in decimal systems. And he wrote some books on that, or some papers. At the time, they called Resala. Resala means the paper, perhaps. And 700 years later, not 700, perhaps in 13th century, in Europe, the system of writing the numbers has been changed from Roman to Indian or decimal. And we consider that event, if there are 2 main things to the progress of science and industry, there are 2 things. One of them is the printing industry, introduced by Gutenberg in Sweden. And the second one is the work of Khwarazmi to change the style of writing numbers from Roman to Indian or decimal. And that is really the reason that we really use this word for algorithm is this work on Khwarazmi, and also he gave a procedure for solving a quadratic simple univariate equation. And due to these 2 works, really we use the word Khwarazm algorithm, we trace it back to Khwarazmi.